Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amin, your English teacher. Today we're going to learn about a useful phrasal verb, go down. This is an important phrase that can have different meanings depending on the context. Let's dive in and make your English even better. So what does go down mean? Well, it can have different meanings depending on how it's used in the context. First, let's talk about when we say the sun's going down. This means that the sun is setting or moving below the horizon. For example, every morning we sit on the beach and watch the sun go down. Isn't that a beautiful sight? Another example is the lights went down as the movie started. It's like the room gets darker when the movie begins. Now, another meaning of go down is when something becomes lower. For instance, when we say prices went down by 10%, it means the prices decreased or reduced. Think about it. After the sale, the prices of the clothes went down significantly. Or the temperature goes down at night. It gets cooler when the sun sets. Great job today! You've learned how to use go down in different contexts. Remember to practice these phrases to become more confident in your English skills. And before we end, here's a question for you. Can you make a sentence using go down? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'll check them all. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in the next lesson.